Every professional knows the job is only as good as the tools behind it. The right gear saves time, boosts accuracy, and turns tough tasks into smooth workflows. From smart diagnostic tech to precision hand tools built for power and safety, these are the essentials that separate amateurs from pros. Here are 15 quality tools every pro needs to work faster, cleaner, and smarter every single day. Ever feel like something is wrong behind a wall, a draft, or a hidden leak, but you just can't see it? The Teslong thermal camera is like giving yourself X-ray vision for heat. Its standout feature is the dual camera system. It doesn't just show heat signatures. It overlays a regular visual image so you see exactly where the problem is. Is that hot spot on the wire or the wall next to it? With 256 by 192 resolution, it's sharp enough to catch tiny temperature shifts, from a freezing pipe to an overheating circuit. The wide range means you can check attic insulation or diagnose a motor issue in seconds. It basically takes the guesswork out of troubleshooting, letting you find problems before they become disasters. It's fast, accurate, and honestly, a bit of a lifesaver on the job. Stop chasing ghosts. This camera finds the issue so you can fix it right the first time. You need a saw that won't bog down when the wood gets thick. Nobody wants to fight their tools halfway through a cut. The Bosch AdvancedSaw 18 volts 140 is a beast for heavy-duty wood projects. It uses a brushless motor, which means more power and a much longer tool life. The real headline, though, is the cutting depth. It slices through wood up to 140 millimeters deep. That's massive for a cordless jigsaw. Plus, Bosch added a brilliant dust extraction system that pulls away up to 85% of the mess right at the blade. This keeps your cut line clear and your lungs happy. It's ergonomic and lightweight, so you can work all day without the usual arm fatigue. It's just a solid, powerful workhorse that gives you corded performance with total wireless freedom. For deep, clean cuts without the cord, this advanced saw is the only way to go. Electrical work is all about safety. When you're near live wires, you can't afford to compromise on the tools in your hand. These KNIPEX insulated lineman's pliers are built for the pros. First, they're 1000-volt insulated, providing that critical safety layer for energized circuits. But they aren't just safe, they're incredibly powerful. The high-leverage design means you're using 50% less effort compared to standard pliers. If you're making hundreds of cuts a day, your hands will definitely thank you. They feature cross-hatched jaws for a rock-solid grip and a serrated zone below the joint specifically for pulling fish tape or grabbing small parts. They cut, grip, and pull with effortless efficiency. It's the kind of tool that feels like an extension of your hand, making the tough jobs feel a lot easier. For serious electrical work, these KNIPEX pliers are the gold standard for safety and power. Ever scratched a beautiful chrome fitting with rough pliers? Or rounded off a bolt because your wrench was just the wrong size? The KNIPEX pliers. Wrench replaces a whole set of spanners. It's a hybrid that grips like pliers, but handles like a wrench. The secret is the smooth, parallel jaws. They clamp down with 10 times your hand force, but they won't mar delicate surfaces like brass or chrome. You can quickly adjust it with a push button to fit both metric and imperial sizes up to 1 inch. Because the jaws stay parallel, they wrap around a nut perfectly, preventing that annoying rounding of the edges. At 6 inches, it's compact enough for tight spots, but strong enough for heavy fasteners. It's easily one of the most versatile tools you can carry. Stop damaging your work. This pliers wrench is the perfect tool for delicate and stubborn jobs alike. Swapping between SAE and metric is a time killer. You need a system that's fast, compact, and tough enough for your impact driver. This Klein Tools KNECT Flip 20 set is a brilliant space saver. Instead of 20 bulky sockets, you get 10 color-coded flip sockets that cover 20 sizes across both systems. Each socket is double-ended and deep well, so long threads aren't an issue. They're impact rated, meaning they can handle the high torque of your driver without cracking. The set includes a quick connect shaft and adapters that let you switch sizes in seconds. It's all about efficiency, less weight in your bag, and less time fumbling for the right size. Whether you're working on a car or a job site, having both SAE and metric in one compact kit is a massive win. Compact, tough, and fast, this flip socket set is the smartest way to carry your sockets. A utility knife is your most used tool, so it needs to be safe and reliable. You shouldn't have to fight it for a fresh blade. The Fiskars Pro Folding Utility Knife is built for the job site. The standout feature is the dual locking system. It prevents the blade from accidentally releasing or retracting during heavy cuts, which is a huge safety boost. It's got a clever one-handed flip open design, so you can get to work instantly. When the blade gets dull, the tool-free change is lightning fast. Plus, there's on-tool storage for extra blades, so you're never left hanging. It folds down for safe pocket carry, but feels solid and balanced in your hand. It's durable, fast, and designed to handle the abuse of a professional workday without skipping a beat. Don't settle for flimsy. The Fiskars Pro is the safest, fastest knife you'll ever put in your pocket. Changing spark plugs in modern engines can be a nightmare. Those plugs are often buried deep at awkward, impossible angles. This lELEAD 8-piece set is designed to take the frustration out of engine work. The real game changer is the universal joint extension. It allows the socket to pivot and reach those recessed plugs that straight extensions just can't touch. The sockets have a secure internal grip, using magnets or rubber, to hold the plug firmly so it doesn't drop into the engine bay. This eliminates the fishing for parts struggle that ruins your afternoon. With 8 sizes included, it covers almost any vehicle that rolls into your garage. It makes a tricky, delicate job feel routine and controlled. It's the kind of specialty tool that pays for itself the first time you use it. No more dropped plugs or awkward angles. This set makes spark plug changes fast and stress-free. Electronics and gadgets have tiny, specialized screws that standard tools just can't handle. One wrong move and you've stripped a critical fastener. For delicate repairs, the JOREST 59-piece precision set is a must-have. It covers everything from iPhones and MacBooks to eyeglasses and game consoles. The bits are made of tough chrome vanadium steel, and the magnetic tips ensure you don't lose those microscopic screws. The handle is the best part. It has a rotating cap, so you can apply steady pressure with your palm while spinning the driver with your fingers. It's all about control and precision. Everything is organized in a compact case, so you're never hunting for that one specific Torx bit. Whether you're a pro technician or a DIYer, this kit gives you the confidence to open up any device safely. Get the precision you need for the small stuff. This JOREST set handles every tiny screw with ease. A dead network is a headache, and you need to know why it's down. Is it the cable, the connector, or a break in the line? The Klein tools. Scout Pro 3 is the ultimate network troubleshooter. It tests voice, data, and video cables all in one device. It doesn't just check for continuity. It can actually measure cable length, which is a lifesaver for finding hidden breaks behind walls. The backlit screen gives you clear, instant results for RJ45, RJ11, and coax lines. The kit includes multiple remote identifiers, so you can map out and test up to 12 different locations without walking back and forth. It's efficient, reliable, and takes the mystery out of network installs. For anyone running cable or fixing home internet, this is the professional way to ensure every connection is solid. Stop guessing and start testing. The Scout Pro 3 is the smartest way to verify your network. Over-tightening a single bolt can crack a frame or ruin a high-end component in a heartbeat. This pro bike tool. Torque a wrench is essential for anyone who cares about their ride. It's a high-precision 1/4 inch drive wrench that covers the 2 to 20 Nm range. This is exactly what you need for stems, handlebars, and seat posts. It's easy to set, and you'll feel a clear click when you hit the target torque. No more guessing if it's tight enough. The set comes with all the hex and Torx bits you'll actually use, tucked away in a protective case. Using a torque wrench isn't just about being careful, it's about safety and keeping your bike in top shape. It's professional-grade precision that fits right in your home workshop. Protect your bike and your safety. This torque wrench set ensures every bolt is perfectly dialed in. Setting large tiles is exhausting, and getting them perfectly level with no air bubbles is harder than it looks. It features a powerful suction cup with a 110-pound grip to help you lift and position heavy tiles easily. Once it's down, the vibration kicks in with 9 adjustable levels. This high-frequency shaking settles the tile into the mortar and forces out any trapped air bubbles. This is huge because those air pockets are what cause tiles to crack later on. It's cordless, running on 21-volt batteries, so you can move across the floor without tripping over wires. It saves your back, speeds up the job, and ensures your tile work stays flat and solid for years. For a flawless, crack-free tile job, this vibration tool is the modern pro's secret weapon. Soldering copper is slow, messy, and involves an open flame. There's a much faster, safer way to join pipes today. The HHewlee Mini Propress tool is a game changer for plumbing. Instead of sweating joints with a torch, this battery-powered tool uses 32 kilonewtons of force to crimp copper fittings permanently. It takes seconds to create a watertight seal, and because there's no flame, it's much safer in tight spaces or near insulation. It's compact, lightweight, and has a 360-degree rotating head to reach those awkward spots under sinks or in crawl spaces. You don't need flux or solder, just the tool and the fitting. It's faster, cleaner, and the results are incredibly consistent. For any pro plumber or serious renovator, this tool turns a half-day job into a few minutes of work. Ditch the torch. This Propress tool is the fastest, cleanest way to handle copper plumbing. How do you carry your drill or impact driver so it's secure but always ready to grab? Clumsy hooks just don't cut it. The Spider Tool holster is the smartest way to keep your tools at your side. It's a simple system: a holster for your belt and a pin for your tool. Just slide the tool in, and it's locked. The upgraded ambidextrous design features a larger thumb lock, making it easy to release with one hand, whether you're a lefty or a righty. It balances the weight of heavy drills much better than a standard hook, so it's comfortable for all-day wear. You can use it for anything: drills, drivers, even tape measures. It keeps your hands free while you're climbing ladders or positioning materials, and your tool stays exactly where you need it. Keep your tool secure and your hands free. The Spider holster is a total game changer for your belt. Building a network requires a specific set of tools. Having them scattered across your bag is a recipe for frustration and lost time. The Paladin tools. P. A4908 is a complete 66-piece network starter kit. It gives you everything you need to cut, strip, crimp, and punch down cables like a pro. You get a high-quality data stripper, an all-in-one crimp tool for RJ45 and RJ11, and a reliable punch-down tool for wall jacks. It even includes specialized datacom scissors for clean cuts. Everything is professional grade and organized in a compact, zippered case. Whether you're setting up a home office or a large-scale network, this kit ensures your connections are solid and your workspace stays organized. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for anyone serious about datacom work. It's everything you need, all in one spot. Stop hunting for tools. This Paladin kit is the complete professional solution for every network job. For light assembly or electrical work, a heavy drill is just too much. You need something small, precise, and easy to handle. The DEWALT Flex Drive is the perfect companion for repetitive assembly tasks. It's a 4-volt cordless driver that recharges via USB-C, so it's always ready to go. What makes it special is the 6-stage torque adjustment. This lets you dial in the exact power you need, so you don't strip screws or damage delicate materials like furniture or plastic covers. If you need a bit more muscle, you can use it manually for finishing. It's compact, lightweight, and features an integrated LED to light up dark corners. It's the ideal tool for kitchen cabinets, electronics, or any job where precision matters more than brute force. It's small enough for your pocket, but tough enough for the job. Ditch the manual driver. The DEWALT Flex Drive gives you perfect control in a compact, rechargeable package. These are some of the best value tools you can buy today, each delivering professional performance without the premium price tag. Which one would you add to your kit? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more gear and tool content like this.